My name is Annie Lawson. I'm a clinical social worker.
My name is Kimberly Colburn, and I am from Portland, Oregon. So I became aware of the White Ally Toolkit work online not long after the 2016 election, and so I was aware of David's work. And when it came up on a Facebook page that he was headed to Portland, I knew that I needed to be a part of helping facilitate making something happen here in my own neighborhood. So, yeah, we put it together really quickly. It was in less than 10 days, and we used our social media as a forum for doing that. We just pushed it out to multiple groups I participate in and asked people, would you be available and what times of the day would you be available for that? So we were able to pull together an idea of whether or not we could make it happen really quickly just by using my own personal networks to reach out to. So think creatively, but it really overall took a minimum of effort for a maximum experience.
I liked it a lot. I mean, it's a hard thing to measure. But what I liked about it was that it gave really practical skills that I think people really want. And I liked it because it's clear. I mean, there are things that I personally think that I want, but it's also clear that the community here has a need and a desire for strategies like this. We have been having meetings for about a year and a half. The number of people at meetings really ebbs and flows. I don't think we've ever had a regular meeting turnout with the high number of people as came out to this training today, which tells me that, and tells us, the other folks who put this up together, that folks in this area really want practical strategies to have productive conversations that lead toward a little bit of a shift instead of just the kind that lead to more digging in and becoming more entrenched in two different polarizing points of view. So that's what I really liked about it, is it's clear that it met the needs that people had for just new tools that really work, because what we've been trying is not working.
I say go for it. David's really super easy to work with. Be brave and ask your friends and family to be a part of that. Yeah, it was exciting and energizing to be a part of helping bring David's work to our community here, and I hope that we can continue to do more work with him. But yeah, it's just find a room.
The folks who have put this on, we have no doubts that this was a great decision to do, to hold a training like this. And as far as working with Dr. Camp, he was really involved throughout the whole planning process, which was helpful because we haven't put something on like this. This is actually the first event that we have hosted, and it was huge. We had 75 people, and we sold 90 tickets. And the reason 75 people came instead of 90 is because we had an ice storm last night, and then like 10 inches of snow on top of that. I'm in northern Vermont, so the amount of planning that went into this was really augmented by Dr. Camp's participation, because he foresaw things that we just didn't know about because we haven't done this before, but he made it really accessible and doable, because none of us are professional organizers or planners. We all have day jobs, and it was something that definitely took a lot of energy, and I'm tired. And I felt really energized through the whole process. We pulled this off in about a month, and I felt really energized and excited, and like I had some agency and power and control, which is something personally I've been really lacking that feeling in the last year of 2017. And it's been refreshing to me to find an opportunity to feel energized and like I have some agency in my community and in my own life. And I need that energy if I'm going to keep doing this work. So this was sort of a wonderful little side effect of the whole workshop, is that it fed me in an emotional way, and I really needed that.